with actor Khushbu at the Wave Summit 2025, a big first ever international summit on, audio-visual entertainment. Prime Minister Modi kicked it off yesterday. You were there. Big message that he sent out: create in India, create the world. What was your takeaway from what he said?
I think it's a brilliant idea, a brilliant initiative of the Prime Minister to bring this kind of a platform. Because Indian cinema is definitely making waves world over, globally. And when people from the globe, they're looking at us, what more can we offer them to tell them and show them that we always a step ahead. Technically, I always say that you look at any kind of a Hollywood film. In the technical aspect, you will find an Indian name doing great there. And I think when we have so much of talent, why not give them a platform and tell the world that come here. For CG work, for any kind of VFX, we generally go to Hollywood or we go to Australia. But I think we have enough of talent in India where we can create and say that we can do it here. And I think this is something which was very much needed. And we just need, this is just the starting point. So I think we just need to take it forward. And I want the entire industry to come together, and
you were on a session on Pan India Stars, which shows that lines are blurring, languages are blurring, boundaries are blurring.
I always say that art cannot have a barrier of any kind of a boundary wall. You break that the minute you say Tollywood, Collywood, Bollywood, Mollywood or Sandalwood, you are bringing in, a wall in between. Do not do that. Call ourselves as Indian filmmakers, and I think that is what is going to take it to the world. When you take it to the world, it's not that ye Hindi cinema. We are rich in culture. We have so much of heritage. We have 29 states. We have so many languages. So we have what the rest of the world does not. So let's take it. Let's all collectively come together and take it to the world.
Yes. Creative industry is often also underestimated. They add a lot of money to the GDP as well.
Yes. I think the only thing what I say is we are the largest economy generating and tax paying industry, but we are not recognized as an industry by the government of India. So we have a lot of help from the government. We have the Prime Minister being with us all the time. The I&B Ministry always stood up for the entertainment world. But if we are given a status of the industry, it's going to take the world, take the film industry somewhere else. So I think that's the only small hitch we have, and I can use a Waves platform to send a message to the Prime Minister saying that if they can look at making film industry where we are the valid taxpayers, if you can make this give us an industry state, we can definitely make much more difference to the world.
आखिरी सवाल आपसे, कल इनॉग्रल मंच से भी रजनीकांत जी, मुकेश अंबानी जी ने भी संदेश दिया था कि पूरा देश जो है प्रधानमंत्री जी के पीछे है. जो भी एक्शन लिया जाएगा आतंकवाद के खिलाफ, पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ, जिन लोगों ने पहलगाम किया, उसको सब समर्थन करेंगे. आप क्या कहेंगे?
बिल्कुल. आई थिंक मैं तो ये कहूंगी कि पाकिस्तान ने एक ऐसे केव में हाथ डाला है जहाँ पे उनको पता नहीं है कि जब माँ के बच्चों को कोई तकलीफ होती है तो एक शेरनी उठती है. हम आज प्रधानमंत्री को हमारे देश के माता पिता गुरु दैवम ऐसे देखते हैं. पूरा देश उनको देखता है कि अगर हमारे देश में कोई तकलीफ होगी तो माँ कैसे अपने बच्चे के लिए एकदम उठ खड़ी होती है, वैसे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री हैं. तो आज जब पहलगाम पर हमला देखते हैं तो व्हेन इट कम्स टू टेररिज्म, हम तो बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे. हम तो खड़े हो जाएंगे. हमें लड़ना है, जी जान से लड़ना है, अपनी जान दे दी है. हम कहते हैं कि अगर हमें आप बोलते हो कि चलो जाओ कश्मीर में, वहां पर आप हमारी जो आर्म्ड फोर्सेस है उनके साथ आप खड़े हो, तो हम जाने के लिए तैयार हैं. हमारे देश के लिए जान देने के लिए हम तैयार हैं. तो जब ऐसे लोग हमारे देश में हैं तो हम सब, चाहे हमें कितनी भी थोड़ी ऊंच नीच हो, थोड़ी हमारे बीच में कुछ बातें अलग सी हो, हमारी सोच थोड़ी अलग से हो, लेकिन जब हमारे देश के ऊपर बात उठती है तो आई थिंक हम सब एक साथ खड़े रहेंगे और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री के साथ जुड़कर हमारे देश की हिफाजत करने के लिए हम खड़े रहेंगे.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Journalist Vishnu Uday Pratap Singh in Mumbai News X.